be a high school engineering instructor, you have to know introductory level information on, I don't know, half a dozen different majors. We had a couple robotics teams, and I got involved with that and became the head mentor for it about 5 years ago.
So in the robotics lab, we have a bunch of equipment, and we're allowed to use any parts that we want, but we have to still build it completely ourselves. At Gssm, I've learned a lot of skills that I think are applicable to the real world. So CADing is going to be very big when I go into engineering. There's things like CNC machines. Like, I had no idea even what a CNC machine was before I came here. I had never 3D printed anything. There are a lot of like mechanisms like servos and motors, and I didn't know what those even were. Being introduced to all of that in my 11th grade year and being able to do it for 2 years is just super helpful, and I think it's going to give me a head start for my career.
We have to do what's called outreach as well, where we have to visit other people in either like areas like different towns or whatnot, and kind of show them the robot and spread our organization, which is first spread like their ideas of being graciously professional and just kind of being a positive influence in the community.
And a lot of that is based in your engineering portfolio and documentation and the different kinds of outreach you do and how you help the community. So I basically really committed myself to that and improving our outreach, because before last year we didn't really have much at all, and then this year we were able to get the highest award at states and qualify for worlds. So that was really cool to be able to do.